In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a GeForce Now membership. To get started, open your web browser and go to the GeForce Now memberships page. This is the page where NVIDIA lists the available membership options and allows you to begin the sign-up process. Once the page loads, take a moment to review the plans shown on screen so you know what choices are available before moving forward. Next, click the Join Now button. This will begin the membership sign-up flow and take you to the account access step. If you already have an NVIDIA account, you can sign in with it here. If you're not already logged in, enter your account details and continue. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you plan to manage billing or use GeForce Now across multiple devices later on. After signing in, you'll be asked to choose a plan. You'll typically see three options: free, performance, and ultimate. The free plan is useful if you want to try the service before paying, while the paid tiers offer additional benefits like improved performance, longer session times, and access to more advanced features. Choose the plan that best matches how you want to use GeForce Now. Once you've selected your preferred plan, click Subscribe. This takes you to the payment section, where you'll need to enter your payment method. Depending on your region, you may be able to pay with a card or use PayPal where available. Carefully enter your payment details and double-check the information before moving on. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent billing errors or failed payments. When everything looks correct, confirm the payment to complete your purchase. At this point, your membership should begin processing. In some cases, you may see additional prompts or verification steps depending on your payment method or region, so just follow the on-screen instructions to continue until the process is fully completed. After that, your GeForce Now membership should be active, and you can start using the service based on the plan you selected. If you chose a paid tier, it's also a good idea to review your billing settings afterward so you understand renewal timing and subscription details. That's all there is to it. Follow those steps carefully, and you'll be ready to enjoy GeForce Now with the membership that works best for you.